Eric slept well. I didn't. We're going to Banff now because they have public showers there. We're going to shower there and then enjoy the day. There are even more people here. Overflow campground where we are, there is no shower, and we saw that in the recreation center you can have a public shower, so we took 2 public showers. We got dressing room 8, and you must see what this is. A big dressing room for sports players, you see, like this, and we're just here with the 2 of us in this big dressing room with the showers and the toilets, and we have Wi-Fi, hot shower, fresh water and electricity, so we can load everything up.
Hi, good morning. I'm going to take a shower. Hey Nadia, how are you?
Hey!
Hey, good to see you. Where are you right now?
In Banff,
Banff?
and it's such beautiful weather. It's like 25 degrees Celsius, and
What was the temperature last night?
well, 3,
Minus something?
9, very low. But we are in Banff, and we've been here before, but we've never seen that it's so big. So maybe it's still spreading out, all the shops for the tourists, all the cafes. It's very nice and it's very busy.
Even the mountains are bigger.
Even the mountains are bigger. We walked to the lower falls of the Johnston Canyon, but
Yes,
Erik,
what we did, what?
you've been here a lot.
25 years ago, when we walked here with Mr. Jerry Spierenberg and with some other Dutch guys, and we were walking alone there. And now it's really massive tourism.
So many people
That's
and from
unbelievable.
all over the world.
All over the
I
world,
think.
yeah.
But the paths are very small and
It is.
also above the canyon, so yeah.
Oh, they were lined up to see the waterfall. So they were lined up.
But still a nice walk
It was, absolutely.
and a
Oh, yeah.
beautiful waterfall.
So if you're here alone, January, February, I recommend this walk. Johnston Canyon, Alberta.
What's it called? My clutch? Is it the clutch?
It's the clutch, yes, it is.
It's too loose.
It's too loose and we're gonna
Tighten it.
tighten it up, eh?
Erik, your first reaction?
Ooh, a lot of people here. I've never seen that much people here before because now I'm in a different time of the year. I've never seen so many canoes and subs on the lake.
You've been here like 27 times or something?
Yes, this is for the first time I've seen that lot of people. Absolutely.
This is again the Fairmont group, but now at Lake Louise.
And as you can see, they buy everything. Lakes, properties, whatever. Well, it's the overflow camp place because there are too many people who want the night to stay over. Just a little look, it's only a parking lot for gravel, but you got a lot of people that set up the tents there. Our neighbors there, how? Enjoy your meal. Hello people here, so hello, how are you? Okay, good to see you, sir.
Hey.
I'm there in a little orange tent.
Okay.
That's us.
My neighbor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We got our neighbors all. Now here we are in the tent. And who's in the tent? Hey, Nadi.
Hey, hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm just a little look here for YouTube. Let me see. Oh, you making everything comfortable. I'm going on work with the bikes.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're still at the overflow camping.
Overflow.
Yeah, that means that if the other campgrounds that a province or a national park provides are full, you can stay at the overflow.
It's a parking lot. It's not a campground, but it's a parking lot.
Yeah. But this one is so full.
It's unbelievable. Good morning.
Well, it was really
It's cozy.
cozy.
It's cozy
Yeah.
because it's you talk to each other, you know each other, you know
Yeah.
the problems, and
Yeah, it's nice.
well, to change experience. It was beautiful here. Yep. The only thing is, it's pretty cold here.
It's so cold.
Our friend is sleeping.
So yesterday, early in the evening,
What?
Erik tried to tighten up the chain of my bike.
Oh yes, that's what I did.
And first he cleaned the chains.
Yep.
But
Takes me more than an hour because normally it's a job of 10 minutes, but take me more than an hour because everybody want to talk to us.
yeah, we talked
Want
to
to know where
some
we're from?
French people, and people are next to us are from Bombay.
Yep, India.
There was a Dutchman,
There was a Dutchman also.
American.
He was from Georgia.
Oh yeah, that's another one.
And we also talked to a guy who was drunk. And a few minutes later,
Oh, he was
RCMP was
from
there.
Yorkshire.
Yorkshire, England.
So Yorkshire people who are drunk, you cannot understand them.
You know, yeah. Oh, there's also another guy on a bicycle I've talked to.
Oh, well, it was a nice evening.
It was a very heavy evening also. It was.
the Athabasca Glacier. And you see everywhere where something is to see. There's a big restaurant and all the buses and the cars are at the restaurant. But if you stand here, you see it direct. Look how beautiful it's. The underneath side is white from the snow. There upper you see the blue. That's the real old ice with lots of oxygen water in it.
It is unreal.
The closer we came to Jasper National Park, the more burnt forest we saw. In 2024 there was a big wildfire in Jasper National Park. Fires started north and south of the town of Jasper and grew out of control. On July 22nd they forced a mass evacuation of 25,000 residents, workers and visitors. The fires merged and swept through the town, destroying a third of all of its structures. We drove through it and it looks really sad. Tonight in a new series of full campings, The Overflow. Where are we now, Erik?
We are now at the overflow camping of the beautiful city of all cities, Jasper. And what is stay from Jasper, because the whole city is burning down and it was a terrible, people living in mobile homes, barracks as we call it in the Netherlands. And okay, they do something for the people, but they lost everything, just gone.
We even saw a melted gas station.
Melted gas station and, well, terrible.
But today we drove the Icefields Parkway from Banff to Jasper and that was beautiful. We thought maybe in Jasper there is a campground for us, but they sent us to the overflow. Yesterday we were on an overflow that was just a parking lot, but now we're here. So the overflow is in a forest, and the girl that said to me at the campground that said you have to go to the overflow, but there are trees. And there weren't trees at the actual campground, they were just all burned out. So it is actually a very nice spot and we have a picnic bench, so we're gonna make some coffee.